Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a circular or any shape image like this one you see on the screen using any video editor very easily. So let's talk about what do we need to make this. Number 1, we will need a circle green screen image, or you can even use a box or oval or any shape you like. And then next we will need a video editor. You can do this with any video editor, Adobe Premiere Pro, Wondershare, Filmora X, my video editor plus, but today I'm using my video editor plus. So first let's get to downloading the circular image, or you can choose any image you want. Just go to your browser. I have opened the image. If you don't have it, then just go to Google and search green screen circle webcam. After you search this one, go to the images tab and you will see this first one right here. Now don't just save this as a PNG image. Just go down, scroll down, and you will find this one from pngitem.com, or you can just go to the description and get the link. Now go ahead and click in the middle of this image, which will open up a new window, and then click this download button right here. After you click it, you will have to wait 5 seconds for the URL, and then click this download button right here, which will download the file. As you can see, it is now downloaded. Now if we go to our downloads folder, we can see this image. So there is no white background, so we won't need to remove the background. Now go ahead and close these ones. You can close all the windows if you want, and then go to your video editor. I'm using my video editor plus 2022. After this opens up, go ahead and add files. So the files you will need is the logo we are adding into the middle, but we don't want it yet, so I'm just gonna keep it there. Now go to the downloads folder and get the PNG image. Now you will need another clip to edit. Now I'm gonna get a sample clip I recorded in the recordings, this one. Now drag it onto your timeline. I'm gonna cut it where I want it. I don't want this pattern, I just cut it right here and delete the rest of it. Remove the sound from the clip, and after that you have to drag this PNG image over this video clip and adjust it as you want. Now you can see there is a big green color oval in the screen. Now we need to go to tools, oval tools, and then go to overlay. Now adjust it as you want. I just prefer this size in the middle right here. Now normally I blur the background. To blur it, go to the effects tab, go to all, and then search blur. I'm gonna use the intense blur one here. And now if you go to tools and double click this one, you can edit the intensity of this blur. So I'm gonna keep it at 20%. Now go ahead and go to right here and click export. Name it as you want. I'm gonna name it as test. Put the quality you want and click start. Now we will need that icon file we are adding in the middle. Now go ahead and click OK, and now add that icon file. I'm gonna go to Essentials and add it. Now delete this from the timeline and add the file we just exported. Here's the test file, drag it onto a timeline. Now go ahead and drag this one, the logo here, move this to the second line, drag it wherever you want. Now go to this clip, double click it. Now go to tools and then go to chroma key. After that, select this green thing here, and now again go to the second clip, go to overlay and drag it wherever you want, like this. After that, we can see that the logo is 100% aligned very quickly and perfectly, like this. Right here we have it straight in the middle, and I think you learned something from this video. And if you learned something, then make sure to like, subscribe and comment something down in the comment section, and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.